Hello, my name is Simona, I'm crochet designer, and today I created this basket. We'll learn how to make it. It's easy and fun. This is how it looks like. 2 handles, round and nice. Here I have 6mm MonoMey Studio cord, 200 meters on the spool, so with one spool you could make one round basket. Many colors to choose from: mustard, coconut brown, clarinet, dark wine. So which color would you choose? Or maybe these colors: dusty rose, dirty pink, green, dirty orange. More than 100 colors to choose from. So let's get started. For the basket I'm using 6mm MonoMey Studio cord. It's polyester and 8mm hook. The color of the cord is gray, number 12 in my studio, MonoMey Studio. All the links to the cord and the written pattern and all the information you can find below in the video. We will begin by making magic circle. I'm making magic circle by wrapping the cord around my fingers. It looks like letter X. From this side it looks like this. Now pulling the cord like this, twist and grab it like this. If you want to learn how to make magic circle, here are the videos. You can find it in my YouTube channel. Just search for how to make magic circle and you find it. Round 1. We will be making 7 single crochet in the middle of the ring. Let's do it together. 1, 2. What I'm doing, I'm mainly crocheting in the middle of the ring and then making single crochet. So 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I will show you how I'm making the stitch. When you put the hook through the ring, grab the cord from the top like this and then from the back. And the last 7th from the top and then from the back. So 7 single crochet. Now pull the end of the cord really tough, really strong, I wanted to see, and now join with a slip stitch. Join with a slip stitch with the first single crochet you made at the beginning of the round. So these are the main 2 loops, and just make a slip stitch like this to form nice ring. At the end of round 1, without the slip stitch, you should have 7 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this is a slip stitch. Now round 2. We'll start round 2 by making a chain. Let's make a chain. And we will make 2 single crochet in each of the stitch, and we will have to repeat this 7 times. We are starting to the same stitch that we made a slip stitch right here. So let's do it, 2 single crochet, 1, the second one also in the same stitch, so 2 single crochet. Now to the next stitch, also 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, the first one and the second one. To the next stitch, also 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. Take a look how I'm doing the stitch, because it matters to get letter X. So from the top and then from the back, grabbing the yarn from the top, then from the back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 more times to go. 1, 2, and 3. So we repeated this combination 7 times. So this is the end of the round, and we will also join with a slip stitch. This is the previous slip stitch we made. This is the chain, and these are the 2 loops that we are joining right here. Let's join with a slip stitch. And this is the end of round 2. At the end of this round, we should have 14 stitches. Round 3. During the round 3, we will also take the end of the cord together when crocheting. So we will start by making a chain. In this round, we will repeat 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. We will repeat this all the round. So 1 single crochet. I'm also taking together the end of the cord. So it's 1 single crochet, the first one, and the second one also in the same stitch. So this is our combination: 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. Repeat: 1 single crochet, now 2 single crochet in the next stitch, the first one, the second one right here also in the next stitch. So stop the video right now and continue working on the round, repeating this combination: 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. Repeat this 7 times. And this is the end of round 3. I repeat the combination: 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch 7 times. Now what last we have to do is join with a slip stitch. So this is the last stitches I made, and this is the first single crochet, so joining always right here with the first single crochet. And at the end of round 3 you should have 21 stitch. Round 4. We will begin always by chaining 1. In round 4 we will make combination 2 single crochet, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, 2 single crochet, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. We will have to repeat this also 7 times. So let's do it together. 1 and 2 simple single crochet. Now 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, the first one and the second one. So 1, 2, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. Now again 2 single crochet, and then 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. So we repeated it 2 times. Let's do it together one more time. Do not forget how I'm making this stitch, but actually for the bottom it's not so important as the stitch will not be visible. So this is the combination that I repeated 3 times. Now stop the video and continue making the same combination 4 more times, and I will meet you at the very end. This is the end of round 4. I repeated combination 2 single crochet, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch 7 times, and this is where I stopped. And for the very end we will join with a slip stitch. This is the slip stitch of previous round. This is a chain, and this is the first single crochet, so I will joining with this first single crochet like this. And this is the end of round 4. From the bad side it looks like this. From the good side it looks like this, and at the end of this round you should have 28 stitches. Round 5. In round 5 we will start by chaining 1, chain 1. We will repeat in this round combination 3 single crochet, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, 3 single crochet, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. we'll have to repeat this 7 times. Let's do it together. 1, 2 and 3, 3 single crochet. Now we'll make 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, the first one and the second one. So 3 single crochet, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. Let's do it together one more time. 1, 2 and 3, and now we'll make 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, the first one and the second one. So stop the video right now and repeat this combination till the very end of the round. 3 single crochet, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. 2 more times we'll meet together, so 4 more times to go. And I finished round 5, repeated combination 3 single crochet, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch 7 times. This is where I stopped. And as always, we will we will make a slip stitch at the very end to form nice ring. At the end of round 5, you should have 35 stitches. As you can see, the basket is coming up nicely and fast. Round 6. We'll also start by chaining 1, and we'll make 5 single crochet, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 single crochet. Now 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. 1 and 2. Now repeat this combination to the very end of the round. Let's do it together one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and now 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. 1 and 2. So stop the video right now and continue working on the round till right here, till the very end of the round. I repeated the combination 5 single crochet, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch 5 times. Now for the very end of this, let's make 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and for the last stitch 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, the first one and the second one. So this is the end of round 6, and we will also join with a slip stitch. As always, joining with a slip stitch at the end of the round and making a chain at the beginning of the round. At the end of this round, you should have 41 stitches. Round 7. In this round, we will start as always by chaining 1. Chain 1. Now we will make combination 7 single crochet, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and then 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. 1 and the second one also in the same stitch. So the combination of this round is 7 single crochet, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. Now stop the video and continue working on this round till the end. And this is the end of round 7. I repeated combination 7 single crochet, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch 5 times. This is the very end of the round, so I will make 1 more single crochet. 1 more single crochet, and I will join with a slip stitch right here. And this is the end of round 7.